Hi, Joe Cerrone.
And Alan Rosen.
Welcome to CAD 116, Basic AutoCAD, in our weekly Zoom classroom meeting. Alrighty, so as we start to work on our modules, we are continuing to work on Module 10, Part 2. In Module 10, Part 2, we're going to continue to work with blocks, and we're going to work with this exercise from Chapter 21. Chapter 21 starts on page 513, and the assignment is on page 546. In that assignment, we will create this floor plan with these different furniture blocks in it. So if we take a look at Chapter 10, we're going to work on this exercise using blocks, and we'll use the AutoCAD template from the B-size architectural, and we'll add these layers to it. And so if you want, you can start off with the AutoCAD DWT. Otherwise, you can just start with the AutoCAD title block and add these layers and make these updates to the limits and the grid and the snap. And so what we'll do in that exercise is we'll create a floor plan drawing, and then we'll create these different blocks. We'll create this floor plan drawing. And so this is the exercise from the textbook. Create the floor plan of this 30-foot by 20-foot space. On the furniture layer, we'll create these different furniture blocks. And then we'll insert those blocks into the floor plan. This goes into creating the table and saving it as a drawing file. And then we go back to our office furniture plan. As far as using Design Center, it's really not that necessary. What the author is doing is he's trying to throw all the different ways to insert blocks into our drawing. We go back into the chapter where they created this plant drawing, create a plant drawing that we will insert into our office space like this. We'll change the names of the blocks just so that we know how to use the rename command. And then we'll purge out any layers that are unnecessary for the drawing. As far as using Design Center to create a tool palette, it's really an advanced topic. And so this will be optional. Creating a tool palette is a way of just being able to have a customized way to insert your blocks. And so creating a tool palette just to put in a couple of small pieces is a lot of work. We'll leave that as optional for you if you do decide to do that. And that's basically it. And so if we go back to Module 10, this is our Module 10 assignment. And then the way that we're working with the course, if we look at the outline of topics, we're working on block references and attributes, Part 2, April 11th. And then next week, we'll work on our final module, which will be 3D Basics from Chapter 11. And then the following week, we'll review for the final exam. We'll have a practice final exam and take the final exam on 5/2. And then the following week, all assignments are due. Alrighty. So that's our Module 10 Zoom meeting. If you have any questions, make sure that you email us. If you'd like to have some additional help, we can set up a Zoom meeting, or you're welcome to come in person on either Wednesday mornings at the Skokie campus between 9 a.m. and 12:30, Thursday afternoons between 2 and 6, or Sunday from 9 a.m. until 1.
Hey,
On
Joe,
Friday, we do have some Zoom virtual meetings. Go ahead, Al.
what room is that going to be in?
It's in room P132, Skokie
Oh.
campus.
Thank you.
You bet. Alrighty, with that, I'm going to stop the recording and post it.